How to adjust valve clearance or lash on Briggs I 18.5 horsepower opposed twin, model 42A707, type 2238E1. There are not any large valve covers on the opposed twin, only the V twins. I've read that the valve stem must be ground a little at a time to increase valve clearance. Where is the valve access point? The manual lists valve clearance without sprigs installed, intake, 0.006. 008x, 0.009. 011.
Hello, my name is Jack, Mr. PUTTPUTT. I will do my best to assist you today. I am sorry to hear you are having problems with your Briggs. I run a MTD Troy-Bilt warranty and repair center and I am a certified tech on Briggs. The valves are accessed by the breather cover. You have to remove the valves and grind the stem.
Great. I've spent plenty of time on the web reviewing this issue. Grinding valves, I read that already. I was assuming the valve lash would increase over time, where to say 0.010, and would have to be adjusted back to 0.005. 007. Grinding valve would increase the valve lash, correct?
Okay, so if you have to reduce the gap, you have to cut and grind the valve seat. If you have to increase the gap, then you grind the stem. Do you have valve grinding equipment?
No precise grinding equip.
Okay, so then it is not something that you can do without buying a valve seat cutting set, and a valve grinder. These are precise readings and should not be ground on the stem with a regular grinder. The valve seat cutting tools cost around $250 to $400 and a grinder can cost several hundred also. These engines do not have a simple adjuster like the newer ones.
Okay, thanks, is running, so considering time to get to the valves, I won't go to this trouble. I would love to replace engine with something other than Briggs. Thanks for your time.
I am sorry we did not have better results for this one. The old twin is kind of a bear to repair and maintain, but the newer V twins are some of the best engines out. I sell Briggs, Kohler, Honda and Kubota, and I am also a certified expert dealer/tech for Kohler, and Briggs is a great unit.
I have 2 Briggs in tech and both broke piston rods. Not fond of Briggs anymore.
I am sorry to hear that. Then I would go to a Kawasaki before I would Kohler. Kohler has had a few issues with the later 18 to 22 horsepower engines with the Gov systems.
I will go with Kohler or Kawasaki next time. We did just install a 27 horsepower Briggs V twin. It seems fine. Yes, Kawasaki in my DR Moore 15.5 horsepower twin is great.
Have a great day.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.